In the previous video, I told and showed how you can make a moped from a chainsaw and a bicycle. And now I propose to test this unit with you. You can see for yourself, as a bike it works very well. As expected, turn the pedals and go. But why strain and twist the pedals when we have the engine? I propose to consider our moped in more detail. Previously, it was an ordinary bicycle and an ordinary chainsaw, and now this is an unusual motorcycle. There is a small rear wheel sprocket and a large pedal sprocket. And here is a small rear wheel sprocket and a large pedal sprocket. And here we have a rear derailleur, which provides tension to the chain and its relative stabilization, because the chain jumps quite a lot due to the engine. For a better engine mount, I had to make my own rack, which you now see, from the front bicycle fork. There are two adjusting bolts in the chainsaw mount so that the sprockets spin in the same plane. There's a primary chain tensioning bolt. There's a gearbox to increase engine thrust. And two exhaust pipes that will smoke your back. Everything is simple. We start the chainsaw and get on the bike. From a place it is better to start off on your own, pedaling, slightly accelerating, smoothly turn the throttle and go at the expense of the engine. The brakes here work in the same way as on all ordinary bicycles. We pedal back and stop. Perfect. Automatic transmission. Rides generally excellent. Now our bike needs to be given a factory look. Install a speedometer, a horn, put protection on the chain and a tap on the exhaust pipe so that the smoke flies back and not in the back. I predict with a little more improvement and we can compete with factory mopeds. And in order not to miss the next video, subscribe to the channel.